Hello, TimberSurf here with the announcement of a competition. My YouTube channel has hit 2,000 subscribers, and as I didn't do a 1,000 subscriber competition, it's about time I did one now. So here we go. Up for grabs is a scale3d.co.uk £50 voucher. So you can choose from any of my products, TimScale accessories, or from the figures that are also sold, both very good, and you can choose anything you want up to a value of £50. So what do you need to do to enter the competition? Well, you basically have to answer 3 questions and then send the answers to me at timbersurf@lumstonia.co.uk. And the questions are as follows. Question number 1 is, which of my videos has the most views? So if you copy the title of that video and jot that down in the email, that's question number 1 done. Question number 2 is, I went somewhere and got a huge haul of model cars, automobiles, a vast number for a very cheap price, and what you need to do is to tell me which video that is in, and again jot down the title in the email. And then question 3 is a 3-parter, because there are 3 answers to the question, because there are 3 videos which involve me utilising magnets. So you need to find all of them. A couple might be obvious, one is less obvious. It'll be a good test to see how many people have watched a lot of my videos and all the way through. So you need the 3 titles of the 3 videos, jot them down in the email and send that to me. After a couple of weeks we'll analyse if anybody's actually got it right, in which case we'll have a winner, but if there's multiple people have got it right, then we'll have a draw between all those that have the same answer. If someone doesn't get all the answers right, we'll have a, well, if the closest one to it will win, or we'll have to have a draw of all those that are missing one answer. So that's about it really. Just remains for me to say thank you very much to all the subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. I can't believe that I've hit 2,000, and please keep subscribing and hitting the bell and the notifications for the competition winner announcement. Otherwise you'll never know that you've won. So that's about it from me, TimberSurf. I'm just going to say it's ciao for now.